In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the Discord overlay. So this feature is really useful if you want to be able to use Discord while you're playing your games, because essentially it will allow you to use the Discord application without needing to minimize your game and then come back over to the Discord app. So in order to enable this feature, click on User Settings in the bottom navigation, scroll all the way down on the left and click on Game Overlay. And first of all, make sure Enable in-game overlay is turned on and enabled. And then next to Toggle Overlay Lock, you need to assign yourself a keybind so that when you press that key, it's going to open up Discord. So I've got mine currently set to Shift and the plus key. And then if we scroll down, you can also decide where you want to see Discord notifications. This really just comes down to personal preference. I'm just going to leave mine in the top left-hand side. Then we need to click on Registered Games from the left navigation, and you need to make sure you've turned on overlay for the game that you want to play. So you can see down here, I currently have Roblox added, but currently the overlay isn't actually turned on. So we need to click on this icon here, and that's going to turn on the game overlay. Now, if for some reason your overlay isn't working, you just need to make sure your game is enabled in this list. If you actually can't see your game altogether, then you can just click on this Add It button and locate the game that you're trying to add an overlay with. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.